want to welcome you guys back to the ArmorTech YouTube channel. Today we've got a Segway UT10 UT10 Crew. And we're going to show you how to put on ArmorTech's Game Loader. Before we get too far in depth, let's have a look at that tool list. We'll find brackets AR and BR. That's going to be on our right passenger side of the unit. We want to locate those brackets. As well as in our hardware bag, we want to find our 1/4 by 1 inch Phillips panhead screws with our 1/4 inch lock, flat washers, and nuts. In this groove between the rear and the ROPS, on bracket B, this edge will go in like so. And then on bracket A, it'll clamshell around and they will mate together. And we'll go ahead and start our 1/4 inch hardware to hold this tight. Now we'll lightly snug with the impact, just enough to hold it into position, and we'll repeat the process on the left hand or driver's side. Before we mount the bar to the brackets now, if there's any cable management you want to do, we offer 1/2 inch loom clamps and self-tapping screws. On whatever side your battery sits on, driver or passenger, I would go ahead and pre-run some wires along the back side of the bar and utilize those loom clamps. But now would be a good time to do that before we put that onto the unit. This is our weather shield, keeps the wind, the rain, and especially the sun from dry rotting the rope. We'll set that to the side. The hardware used to mount the bar to the bracket is going to come out of your hardware bag. They're going to be 3/8 by 1 inch bolts, 3/8 flat and lock washers, as well as a 3/8 nut. Now let's find you a partner and mount the bar to the brackets. Roll it up. Okay, we'll slide a 3/8 flat washer onto the bolt. We'll go ahead and stick that into the hole. All right, we'll back that with a 3/8 flat washer, 3/8 lock washer, and a 3/8 nut. And we'll do this for all 4 holes on the flange. We'll start these loosely and then we'll move to the other side. Now that our bar is installed, we've got all of our hardware started, we'll come back with a 9/16 socket wrench with our impact driver and we'll tighten everything down. This would be the time where you would mount whatever winch. We've got a universal footprint on the winch bracket that hangs off the bar up to 4,500 pounds. Now the bar is rated for 500 pounds of pull strictly for your game. The weather guard, this back flange, will wrap around the back of the bar. And the slots will line up to the holes of your fair lead. The hardware that comes with your winch to mount your fair lead will secure the weather guard into position. Your game bar has successfully been installed on your Segway 1000, and we hope you enjoyed on your next ride. Thanks for choosing ArmorTech, and thanks for watching.